Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a super easy but delicious recipe called KWABAEGI aka Korean twisted donuts. Korean twisted donuts or KWABAEGI are classic Korean donuts found at Korean bakeries. They are so soft and fluffy on the outside with a beautiful chewy and perfectly golden brown on the outside. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. The first step is to add all your ingredients in a mixing bowl, starting with 4 cups of flour. Add 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1/3 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 2 eggs, then 1 cup of water. Mix until the dough starts to come together. Sprinkle some flour on a work surface, then start kneading the dough for 25 minutes. The dough should be smooth and elastic after kneading. Cover and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Sprinkle some flour on your parchment paper and set aside. After 30 minutes, sprinkle some flour on the dough and roll it using a rolling pin. Trim the edges and divide the dough into 12 pieces. Roll the dough into a thin rope. With your hands at the end of the rope, roll the dough in opposite direction to create a twisted effect. Pick up the dough by the ends and let it twist onto itself. Pinch the end together and fix the twist if needed. Place the dough on the prepared parchment paper and repeat the process with the remaining dough. Once the dough has been shaped, let the dough rest in one place until it doubles in size, about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Then make the cinnamon sugar by mixing sugar with ground cinnamon and set aside. When the donuts are about doubled in size, heat up some oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the donuts are doubled in size, use the parchment paper to pick up the donuts without affecting their shapes and gently place them into the oil. Let the donut fry for about 3 minutes on each side or until both sides are golden brown and cooked. Remove from the oil and let them drain on a rag or paper towel. While the donuts are still hot, roll them in the cinnamon sugar mix. If you are not a fan of cinnamon or allergic to it, feel free to omit it and use only sugar. And there you have it, guys. Freshly made kwabaegi, aka Korean twisted donuts. Soft and fluffy on the inside, perfectly golden brown on the outside, and so delicious. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye.